Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add Gmail account in Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add Gmail account in Facebook, go to your Facebook ID, click on your Facebook account name on upper left corner. Now go to your Facebook profile. Now click on About tab. Here under About you will find an option Contact and Basic Information. Click on Contact and Basic Info. Here you will find email address and email icon here, and click on the edit button on email, and then you will find and add or remove email. Click on add or remove email. These are your current email addresses. You can add new email address by clicking add new contact. Click on add new contact. Here you will find add mobile number or add email address. Click on add email address. Enter your email address here. I am going to enter my email address. If you have Instagram account beside your Facebook address, you have to select where you want to add email address. If you want to add email address on Facebook, just click here. If you have only Facebook account and don't have Instagram account integrated with your Facebook, you will not find this option. Just select your Facebook ID here and click on next. Go to your email account and you will find a confirmation code here there. Just bring the code from your email account and type the code here and then click on next. And this way you can add your email account to your Facebook. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.